Most beautiful girl in the world.
Aren't you sweet?
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay. We're in Watertown to meet Darian and David and give them stuff. Erin's here.
I am here.
That's crazy.
Is it?
We'll never know. Spookiest of floors.
Ooh, it's bad luck.
Holy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this corner room. It is just windows all the way around.
Holy fuck.
I know you can't see the view like very well because of the reflection right now, but oh my god. Oh my god. Little couch, there's the bed. Hello.
Holy shit.
Wow.
Oh my god. We got.
Holy shit. It's literally the whole room. It's the whole room. It's just windows. Ooh. Pretty tile.
We got robes.
Ooh. Wow. This is amazing. Whew, man. Looking down, I'm kind of getting the heebie-jeebies a little bit standing here. Jasper is looking awesome so far.
Look at this couch.
Yeah, this cute little couch. There you go.
inside the vlog.
Yep.
Welcome to day 2 of our trip. We're in Fargo, North Dakota right now. Yesterday, we met up with Darian and David in Watertown and got some food. And now we're exploring the city.
Mushrooms. Oh.
He's a palace cat. Look at it.
Palace cat. Look at that, sweetie. Hello.
JLB.
JLB.
I probably won't be able to use this audio.
Huh?
Because the music.
Oh. Might be.
We'll see.
So.
We'll see. Erin can edit it out.
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
Anything that can be done in post.
Anything.
Just gonna put Shrek behind her.
Insert Shrek here.
Delicious. 1919. The best root beer. Sponsor me. Sponsor me, 1919. I know you can hear me. Give me your money. Give me your money and root beer. Yeah, that's the stuff. I've always walked.
Is it? So straight and proper.
Yep. It doesn't hurt at all to walk like this.
No, not at all.
Fargo has a lot of cool murals. You should check them out. We drove over to the Hjemkomst Center, which I'm sure I'm pronouncing wrong, but it's got a big Norwegian ship, but sadly that building is closed right now. But they have a reproduction of an old church, which we walked around a little bit, and then it started pouring.
Yes, there is a lot of rain.
And so now we were gonna walk around the river and stuff, but we do not want to get wet, so we're gonna go head over to Pixel Brewing. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. After Erin's mad dash to the...
Yeah. I'm gonna get wet. Yeah. They don't open till midnight.
Yeah.
12 a.m.
7:30.
Like we'll be here in a few-ish hours at 4 a.m. I don't know what time it is now.
7:57.
It is 7:57 right now.
Then
So
we're leaving Fargo on the train.
on the train.
On the train. We love you, Fargo.
It was a great day. You gotta like. Oh man. It's kind of scary.
Really lean back, Erin. Go all the way.
Oh man, I think I almost tipped it over. Yeah, I can't get like, I can only like rock it.
It's so cute.
We're so silly.
How is it?
It's really good. Ooh, I love it.
Okay, Fargo, this ends our time. We're about to head out on the train, headed to Seattle. Shout out to the lovely Jasper Hotel. It is amazing here. We'll be back in about 2 weeks, but we're on our way to Seattle now. So check us on the next leg of our trip. Bye.